Okay, so let's going to plot our equation in Desmos app. So we will have this kind of expression x of t equals to 1 upon t and cos 2 pi nt. Okay, so x of t, that means y equals to, I'm not going to write down that equals to, and let's take 1 upon t0, so t0 as a 10. So I am going to plot 1 by 10 into sigma, which is miscellaneous function sigma, and going from, let's say, negative 10 to positive 10. So it will going to negative 10 to upper side. Okay, sorry for that, sigma should not be there. I'm going to delete the equation. Again, 1 upon 10, 1 divided by 10, one step on the right side, then miscellaneous function sigma n equals to negative 10 to positive 10, and here we will have cos, so trigonometric function cos in bracket 2 pi nt, 2 pi, oops, sorry for that, cos 2 pi nt, and from here, and t, we have variable t, but in Desmos we will have a variable x, so x divided by t0, which is 10, t0, and that is 10, and you see already what is happening here. See those graph. Okay, see that graph. Now what we are going to do, we are going to plot from negative infinite to positive infinite. So let's say 50 to 10, you see that, to positive 50, and you will have that famous graph. Okay, you see those peaks, something like this. All right, more and more you add the value, you will get infinite and infinite peaks. All right, so you see here the period is from 0 to 10. I'm not sure you are able to see. Let me correct it on project mode. Here it is project mode, so that you are capable of seeing the numbers. Let me remove the grid also, so that you will see the clear figure. Okay, see those pictures 0 to 10, and you will have a fundamental period 0 to 10, and you will have a height also 10. All right, you will have 10 height also, and you will have 0 to 10 fundamental period, and this is your equation. All right, so now what I'm going to do, let's add 500 to 500. It will take some time. Okay, 500 to 500 will, minus 500 to 500 will not gonna take the simulation, so I am just change the limit by negative 100 to positive 100, and when you see and press the home icon, see it is still deflected. Yeah, now it is getting straightforward. Let's wait for the few minutes. Okay, so now see here from negative 100 to the 100, so you will get this kind of waveform 0 to 10, but now peak is going to be 20. Okay, so as long as you are going to increase this iteration number, you will have a same width, and this oscillation gonna die out, and your height will going to be infinite and infinite. That's what the meaning of this pulse train. Okay, so let's check with the 1000. Let's see what happened. Okay, now I'm on the 1000. It is not working. You see, height is still 20. All right, it is not still working because it's not going to take the values. Okay, so in this way you can also plot this kind of wave also separately. Cos 2 pi t by 10 plus cos 2 pi 2t by 10, cos 2 pi 3t by 10, cos 2 pi 4t by 10, and all add them together and you will get ultimately this kind of wave. Okay, alright, so I hope you will get the idea about this impulse train. Okay.